In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invert audio in Audacity step by step. This is a really simple feature, but it can be incredibly useful, especially if you're working with noise cancellation, phase cancellation, or any audio editing setup where you need one track to cancel out another. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Audacity tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to work with. If you already have a project open, that works too. The first thing you need to do is select the audio. You can do this in two different ways. If you want to invert the entire track, click the track header on the left side of the audio track. That selects the whole track at once. If you only want to invert part of the audio, click and drag to highlight the exact section you want to change. Once your audio is selected, go up to the top menu and click Effect. This is where Audacity keeps most of its audio processing tools. After that, hover over Special. A submenu will appear with additional effect options. From there, click Invert. When you choose Invert, Audacity flips the waveform upside down. So instead of the peaks staying above the center line and the valleys staying below it, they switch places. On its own, this usually will not sound different to your ears, but it changes the phase of the audio, which makes it very important for technical editing tasks. For example, if you have two identical tracks and you invert one of them, then play both together, they can cancel each other out and create total silence. That happens because the peaks of one track line up perfectly with the valleys of the other track. This is why invert is often used in phase cancellation and noise reduction workflows. If you're trying to remove background noise or compare mirrored audio signals, this little effect can be a very powerful tool. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks to apply. Just remember that if you only select part of a track, Audacity will only invert that specific section. If you want the whole file inverted, make sure the entire track is selected before applying the effect. After that, you can press play to test the result, or continue editing your project as needed. That's really all there is to it. Select the audio, go to Effect, hover over Special, and choose Invert. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Audacity tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.